You know it's a real treat when lamb cutlets are on the menu, so I'm going to crumb them and fry them until they're crispy and golden and serve them with a really fresh salsa, a capsicum and tomato salsa. So before we get on to the lamb cutlets, let's make this salsa. I like to pop everything into the food processor. So this is just some roasted capsicum. I'm using jarred roasted capsicum. There's nothing wrong with them. In fact, I really love them because they're quite sweet. I've taken away the brine and that can go straight in. And some roasted tomato. I'm using some cherry tomatoes, salt, pepper, and some thyme. I'm actually going to use that thyme to flavour our salsa. Smells so good. And our roasted tomatoes, so they can go in. I've just cooked them in the oven at 180 degrees for about 30 minutes. The longer you cook them, the longer they caramelise and the sweeter they get. Okay, next, a clove of garlic that can go straight in. And to really thicken this up, I like to add some walnuts. I've just toasted the walnuts. You could also use macadamias or almonds for this recipe. A pop of saltiness from some capers and some Dijon mustard, just a teaspoon is fine. And some vinegar. So red wine vinegar, always salt, pepper. We need to bind this all together, so I'm going to be using some Bertolli extra virgin olive oil. I really want to taste the fruity notes from it, so we want a good glug of that. I'm going to add half of it now, give it a blend. We're going to see the consistency of it, and then we can add some more. So we'll just start with, I'd say about 3 to 4 tablespoons, and we'll blend that up to chop everything. All right, let's have a look. Oh, look at that beautiful colour, and it smells fantastic. I do want to have a taste of it just to check the seasoning. Perfection, zingy. I can really taste those deep, rich flavours of the olive oil. It's fantastic. All right, that can go to the side. Now let's get on to the crumbing. Now I'm using some French lamb cutlets. This is just a beautiful cut. You can see how lean it is there, but still a little bit of fat on the outside, which is what you want for flavour. So for a crumbing station, we'll start with the flour. Then we've got some crumbs and some eggs. So we're going to whisk 2 eggs into the middle bowl, crack them in. And what I like to do is season both the lamb cutlets and my crumbing station. But before I do that, I do want to give this a quick whisk. Okay, that's looking good. And a good seasoning of salt in the eggs and a little bit in the flour. And then also on our stunning little cutlets. Okay. Now for the fun part, the crumbing into the flour, and I'm just holding the bone there because I don't want to add any crumb to that bone. We just really want to keep that exposed. Then into the egg, coating all sides. We want to shake off the excess of that egg and then into the crumb. I'm using panko crumbs because they go really crispy in the oil. So press all of those crumbs in, shake it off, and that's the first one done. So I'm going to continue the process and then we can get frying. Right, time to fry our lamb cutlets, and I still like to fry it in olive oil, but I'm going to be using a classic olive oil. I like to use this for frying because it's got a high smoke point and it's also neutral. You know, lamb has quite a strong flavour, so a neutral oil is perfect for this. So you need quite a lot so we get a really nice even colour on our lamb. And I'm going to cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. How good do these little lamb cutlets look? Perfectly golden brown. They're going to be crispy and juicy in the centre. Now, I always like to finish with some extra salt over the top, just like that, particularly when they've come straight out of that hot olive oil. So to plate up, I've got a little bowl here. This is going to be for our salsa, so we can dip the lamb cutlets in it. Our lamb cutlets, we're just going to put them on the plate. Just spread them out And as we know, lamb and mint are great friends, and I just think it looks so pretty with just a few little sprigs scattered around. That is a beautiful way to prepare lamb cutlets, and that sauce, it's addictive. Delicious with the capsicum, roast tomatoes, and extra virgin olive oil.